We are in Subang Jaya, SS15, the former Asia Cafe lot. We are just exactly opposite the Inti International College. And Inti International College. The SS15, hotspot for students. So this is Descon, our customer, previously known as Nagano Villas. Okay, so you can see they are using our 40 nets here, orange color, and over there another stack over there. These are we supply 40% nets. You can see there's a difference in the color. The lighter yellow is actually the old nets shifted from Old Kent Road project. Previously they were known as Nagano. A pun on the Japanese contractor Nakano. So this is basically Soho's and a small unit apartments, 450 square feet to 650. And this is going up 40 stories, 2 blocks. So today, the 31st October 2019, Glenn Lim here from Nets Target. Any inquiries? Just a close up of that. Any inquiries? Kindly call us. You can try to work out your budget. Thank you.